Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Figma file and enabling variables in the Assets panel. This gives you the container for string data. Create a new string variable group and name it for scope, for example, UI text or localization. Add your first keys: brand name, button text, date format. These are the identifiers you'll use in components. Once done, give each string a sensible default value, so you can immediately preview changes across frames without extra setup or plugins. Now you link those string variables to actual text layers. Select a text layer and click the variable icon in the text properties, then choose or search the string key you created. This binds content so the layer shows the variable value instead of static text. Use components and instances to apply the variable across multiple screens. Once you update the variable, every bound instance updates. Make sure to use clear keys to avoid confusion when reusing variables in different components. Finish by managing and testing. Edit values in the Variables panel and watch your design update live, which speeds iteration. Organize variants or groups for localization and a /B testing, and use consistent naming conventions to keep scope clear. When you finalize, export or hand off with a variables map for developers. If a text layer doesn't update, check that the variable is still bound and that the instance has not been overridden locally. Resetting the instance usually restores the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.